is known for both regular tanning and tanning beds. It can also impact your body art. Let's look at what tanning beds can do to your tattoos, as well as to find out how we can protect them, and hopefully you, in the process. Sun exposure in general should be limited for your health and for your tattoos. If you expose your tattoos to continued tanning in the outdoors, the UV rays may bronze your skin, but like anything exposed to the sun, they also bleach and drain the color of the ink in your tattoos. Because tanning beds offer a more concentrated hit of UV rays, the fading in your tattoos can be even greater in a shorter amount of time. There are ways to still get bronze skin, if it's an absolute must, while still protecting your tattoos. The best solution is to apply sunblock over your tattoos in a generous quantity. Try to use sunscreen that is at least SPF 20 or greater, with SPF 30 being the preferred protection level. You may also choose to cover up your tattoo with a patch or a bandage while using a tanning bed. This should help minimize or prevent altogether any fading on your tattoos. If you've just recently gotten yourself inked, your strategy for protection is slightly different due to some precautions you must take. Whatever you do, definitely follow the tattoo artist's instructions for aftercare of a new tattoo. That means keeping it covered or shaded during the first few weeks. You also cannot use sunblock on a new tattoo and need to wait until your tattoo is done peeling and has its first protective skin layer. The skin is clearly sensitive after getting a tattoo, so exposure to UV rays in any form can not only damage the tattoo, but it can also put your skin in a more vulnerable state. A new tattoo is considered to be healed after approximately 3 months, so that means no tanning beds during that time. If you plan on getting multiple tattoos and covering a good portion of your body with ink, it's probably a good idea to think about giving up your love of tanning beds once and for all. This way you can make sure that your ink investment stays as sharp and stunning as the day you received it. I'm Jonathan Stewart with About.com.